Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to share something awesome with you that I was able to take advantage of myself, given from a friend, and I want to just show you how, once he told me the idea, I just used my indicators to execute it. So, before we jump in, of course, anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Just keep that in mind. Take a second, look over this disclaimer, and we'll get started. So, my good buddy Ross Givens, he gives me a call a few weeks back. He's like, listen, coffee is going higher. I'm like, are you sure? He goes, yep, trust me, coffee's going to run. I said, okay, no problem. Now, listen, I wouldn't buy on just his word, and it's not that I don't trust him. I mean, the guy's a professional trader, runs multiple services, probably one of the smartest guys I know, when it comes to picking stocks and picking trades. So I said to him, all right, listen, no disrespect, I'm just going to wait for my indicators to line up, and when they do, I'm going to execute this trade. So I've had coffee on the radar for quite some time. Like I said, a few weeks back, he called me, and I was prepared to take the long when it presented itself because, Ross, with such conviction, said, listen, I'm telling you right now, I'm buying coffee futures. They're going to run. I said, okay, no problem. I said, I'm in. I'll take the trade. But for me, I'm so systematic that I need the indicators to line up for me before I jump in. So that's exactly what I waited for. It's not that I didn't trust him, because I certainly do. For me to manage a trade properly, I just need to enter it properly. It's just how I am. That's how I run my trade plan. It's how I run my businesses. I have a systematic approach to how I do things. So while I was watching this, looking for a swing trade entry, this is what transpired. I finally got the long. It triggered just like Ross told me it was going to. He was like, listen, this thing's going to run. And sure enough, it did. I was able to get long at 126.30, and I'm still in this trade. But you can just see, I put the ATRs on here so you could see what a great run it's been. We're a full $10+ above where we entered, and it's really performing very, very nicely. So when someone calls you credible and gives you a hot tip, the next step for you to do is for you to go into your platform and go, all right, listen, my boy's telling me coffee's going to run. Let me get my chart set up so when the entry that meets my criteria is made, I can take advantage of the move. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened here when my boy Ross called me. I just waited for the setup, and as soon as it came in, like I said, I'm $10 plus in the profit on the coffee futures, and I couldn't be more thankful for him sharing this with me. Difficult roads always lead to beautiful destinations. Guys, nothing in your life you ever do is going to be super easy. It's never going to be spoon-fed to you. It's never going to be handed to you. And if it is, you will never appreciate it because you did not sacrifice the difficulties that would have led you there had you done it the hard way. So with that being said, wherever you are in your life, if you are stumbling, it is difficult, if you find that you are struggling, trust me, you have to have the perseverance to go forward. You have to have the discipline and consistency to keep moving forward. And I promise you, when you get to where you belong, the destination is going to be beautiful. So if you want to be prepared next time your buddy calls you up and goes, hey, coffee futures are running, or hey, oil futures are running, or hey, Apple's gonna pop from where it is right now, or whatever it is you want to trade, whether it's commodities, futures, Forex, stocks, indices, I don't care. If you want to be prepared next time you get that phone call to get in a systematic way, low risk, high probability, then you need our indicators. There's a link directly below this video. All you have to do is click on it. It will take you to the Project VSwarm presentation, and you will get to see how we use our indicators over and over and over again to profitably and consistently take moves out of the market. Now, if you'd like to learn more, like I said, click that link. If you need to visit us, you can visit us anytime, HawkeyeTraders.com. We're available for you via email and phone any time of the day. Team1 at HawkeyeTraders.com, or call us 888-233-8598. Guys, have a beautiful and blessed day. I am so thankful that Ross had given me this coffee idea to just to keep my eye on it. And once it manifested, I knew it was time to get in. So you too can be taking part in those just like I did, with the right indicators, with the right methodology, with the right strategy, and with the right trade plan. Have a great day. Bless you all, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.